Imagine a world where you no longer have to spend your weekends mowing the lawn. A world where your garden is always impeccably maintained without any effort on your part. You relax, enjoying your free time while cutting-edge technology takes care of your lawn. This dream is now a reality, thanks to the Ecovacs GOAT G100, the ultimate wireless peripheral robotic lawnmower. If you are interested, do not hesitate to click on the link in the description now to order it now at the best price and truly revolutionize your daily life. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. This mower is perfect for garden owners. Up to 800 mid-tide, looking for an effortless and safe mowing solution suitable for complex and uneven terrains. It's the perfect choice for those who want a beautifully maintained garden without sacrificing their free time. The Ecovacs is much more than just a robotic mower. It's a masterpiece of technology, designed to make your life easier and your garden more beautiful than ever. At first glance, its sleek design in grey and white catches the eye, but it's not just its appearance that impresses. It's its weight of 23.2 kilo and its dimensions of 65 centimeters in depth, 42 cm in width, and 43.2 cm in height. It is sturdy and compact, perfectly suited for gardens up to 800 m². What truly sets the Ecovacs apart is its wireless boundary setting method. No more complicated electrical wires to install manually. A simple click on the app allows you to effectively set the boundaries of your garden using a stable ballistic signal that is resistant to interference. This innovation greatly simplifies the installation and enhances the overall mowing efficiency. The TrueMapping multi-fusion localization technology combines a panoramic camera and a fisheye camera. With wireless communication technologies using carrier waves, inertial navigation, and GPS localization, it ensures ultra-stable signal transmission. Thanks to this, the GOAT achieves a uniform cut in a logical strip, ensuring a perfect, clean, and efficient mowing. No area is overlooked, none is cut twice. That's the promise of a lawn that's always impeccable in record time. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. But that's not all. The 3D AVI Smart Obstacle Avoidance technology is a first in the robotic mower industry. This technology uses a visual sensor and a TOF sensor to intelligently avoid obstacles. When it detects a human, the GOAT automatically stops the rotation of its blades, ensuring optimal safety. You can be at ease even if your children or pets are playing in the garden while it's mowing. The Ecovacs doesn't just mow your lawn. It manages up to 16 distinct zones through the Ecovacs app, allowing for complete customization of your garden. You can merge, divide, and name these zones and direct the mower to specific areas with just one click. Additionally, you can set up restricted access zones, like around your pool or flower beds, ensuring precise mowing tailored to your specific needs. The app doesn't stop there. It also acts as a guardian for your garden. Thanks to the integrated panoramic camera and fisheye camera, it monitors multiple points in the garden in real time, thus ensuring the safety of your green space. The security and user privacy certification issued by TÜV Rheinland assures you that your personal information is completely safe. The performance of the Ecovacs GOAT on complex terrains is simply exceptional. It can handle slopes of up to 45% and adapts to uneven surfaces thanks to its floating blades, thus avoiding excessive cuts and potential damage. With an IPX6 waterproof rating, withstands the elements, ensuring continuous operation even in bad weather. The GOAT is as quiet as it is effective. With a noise level of just 59 dB, you can enjoy your garden without being disturbed by the noise. And thanks to its different mowing modes, automatic, edging, and manual, it adapts to all situations. Whether you need a full mow or just to trim the edges. Ecovacs' after-sales service is also remarkable. The GOAT comes with a 3-year warranty and the battery is covered for 2 years. A local, friendly, and professional contact center is available to quickly resolve anything that's going on. Any issues, ensuring your total peace of mind. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order now at the best price and truly revolutionize your daily life. Now, I suggest we recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, easy installation. The wireless boundary setting method. Make the installation quick and hassle-free. Advantage number 2, smart management. The ability to manage and customize up to 16 different zones through the app. Advantage number 3, advanced safety. The 3D Smart Obstacle Avoidance technology ensures safe mowing, even in the presence of people or pets. Advantage number 4, real-time monitoring. The app allows for continuous monitoring of the garden, providing extra security. Advantage number 5, quiet. operates at a sound level of just 59 decibels, allowing for use without noise disturbance. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1. Dependence on Wi-Fi. Requires a strong Wi-Fi signal to operate optimally. Disadvantage number 2. Specific terrain. It may encounter difficulties on very uneven ground or with obstacles not detected by the sensor. In summary, the Ecovacs Goat G1 is much more than just a robotic mower. It's a complete solution for a perfectly maintained garden with no effort on your part. Its advanced technology, ability to handle complex terrains, and intuitive user interface make it an ideal choice for anyone who wants a pristine garden without dedicating all their time to it. To discover all the advantages of the Ecovacs Go G1 and read hundreds of customer reviews, click the link in the description to order at the best price. Your garden will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. With that, I sincerely thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.